Kia K5, 2021. Nearly a decade after the 2011 Kia Optima paved the way for one of the auto industry's most significant growth and achievement stories, Kia Motors America, KMA, is resetting expectations once again with the reveal of the all-new Kia K5 midsize sedan. Representing one of the biggest leaps forward between generations in recent automotive history, the K5 celebrates this bold new chapter in Kia's story with an equally bold name to emphasize the midsize sedan's revolutionary design, all-new safety and performance-enhanced N3 platform, turbocharged engines, available all-wheel drive, and high-impact technology. In other words, Kia's Give It Everything philosophy in the US is evident and alive in this new machine. But why try to reimagine the sedan, especially during a time when the market continues to shift towards crossovers and SUVs? Fueled by an unstoppable spirit to push harder and work smarter, Kia was determined to give it everything instead of giving up, completely rethinking the traditional sedan. Going on sale in summer 2020, the Kia K5 will be available in 4 trim levels: LX, LXS, GT Line, X, with the adrenaline-fueled Kia K5 GT to follow in the fall 2020. A daring, new design identity. A catalyst for the further transformation of Kia's lineup, the K5's powerful and angular design language represents another chapter of boldness and passion for the brand. The centerpiece is Kia's modernized tiger face, with the wide and thin front grille extending into the headlight and hood structure. From the side, the K5's low-slung and fastback silhouette confirms the impression it was made to run, highlighted by a chrome garnish that spans the roofline and wraps around the rear glass. A number of other exterior design traits give the K5 an unexpected level of visual impact. Sharkskin-inspired mesh design on front grille and dual chrome exhaust tip garnish, GT Line, GT. Signature heartbeat daytime running lights and tail lights with available LED dashes span the width of the rear deck lid. Gloss black applique on rear glass enhances fastback shape while maintaining sedan functionality and cargo space. Newly designed 16, 18, or 19-inch alloy wheels. 18 and 19-inch wheels come with sporty Pirelli P0 tires. Harmonizing the open layout of the cockpit is a newly designed infotainment display that seamlessly stretches into the instrument panel, creating a futuristic, three-dimensional layout and driver-centric space. Other interior highlights include aircraft-type shift knob, a mix of premium and sporty upholstery options including red leatherette seating, satin chrome metallic and wood-like finishes on the dashboard and door panels, depending on trim. Panoramic sunroof. Flat bottom, sport steering wheel, GT Line, GT. At the root of it all, the Kia K5's new identity starts with the advanced third-generation N3 platform, which will serve as the foundation for future Kia models. In this application, the platform allows the K5 to sit longer, lower and wider compared to its predecessor, resulting in its aggressive profile and deeper center of gravity for a more exciting driving experience. Additional highlights include increased exterior dimensions in all the right places for a sport sedan look and feel. Length, 193.1 inches, plus 2 inches over Kia's outgoing Optima. Width, 73.2 inches, plus 1 inch. Height, 56.9 inches, minus 0.8 inches. Wheelbase, 112.2 inches, plus 1.8 inches. Suspension geometry optimized for sporty handling, responsiveness, and stability. Increased average tensile strength and additional hot stamped parts makes for a solid body in white. Improved sound deadening materials result in a quieter and more premium cabin. Acoustic laminated windshield standard on all K5 trims. More turbo. More traction. Kia's exhilarating and efficient powertrain options unleash the spirit of the everyday driver, with a turbocharged lineup that includes a choice of 2 powerful engines. Kia engineers further pushed the envelope with an available 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission for fast and precise gearshifts, plus an available all-wheel drive system for improved traction and capability. More details include 2.5-liter turbocharged GDI and MPI 4-cylinder engine making 290 horsepower and 311 pound-foot of torque, paired with the new 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, GT, goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. A first for Kia, the in-house developed 8-speed wet DCT helps Kia K5 establish credentials as a sports sedan. 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower and 195 pound-foot of torque, managed by an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission, LX, LXS, GT Line, X. Engine adopts continuously variable valve duration, CVVD, functionality. An industry first, this technology results in a performance boost and improvement in efficiency thanks to independent control of the valve duration. Available all-wheel drive, AWD, provides all-weather capabilities and enhanced driving performance by actively distributing torque between the front and rear wheels, depending on road conditions and driving situations. LXS and GT line option. AWD will be available in late 2020. The Kia K5's all-wheel drive system is front-wheel drive based, which is a first for a Kia sedan. Uses electro-hydraulic system to control AWD coupling for a quicker response and more precise control. Snow drive mode enhances driver security and all-weather confidence. Normal, Smart, Sport, and Custom drive modes adjust settings for engine, transmission, AWD, when equipped, and steering mapping to provide the desired driving experience. Kia K5 GT steps it up with Sport and mode to enhance driving characteristics. Next level technology. New wireless features minimize cord clutter and keep the cockpit clean, while a seamless infotainment display layout and voice command system help keep the driver's eyes on the road. Some technology and convenience highlights to look out for include 8 or 10.25-inch high-resolution color touchscreen, split-screen functionality and available satellite radio. Available 10.25-inch touchscreen adds. Server-based available navigation system provides real-time traffic data. New multi-connection Bluetooth wireless connectivity that lets two phones connect simultaneously. UVO telematics with connected user profiles, allowing different drivers to create the environment they desire with the perfect seat position, outside mirror placement, and favorite radio stations. Bose Premium Sound System, available with 12 high-performance speakers. Bose Centerpoint technology converts stereo sources into a richer surround sound experience. Dynamic speed compensation analyzes the sound source and automatically adjusts it according to driving speed. Active sound design provides a dynamic auditory experience by enhancing the sound of engine acceleration and gear shifts according to the selected drive mode. A first for Kia. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto cuts the cord on charging cables, meaning drivers can enjoy being connected without being plugged in. Wireless functionality not available on 10.25-inch navigation system. Available wireless smartphone charging with drop design keeps smartphones at reach and secured inside the charging pad. Reduced charging time with increased charge rates. Added cooling fan. Available natural language voice recognition software recognizes a number commands including turn on the A/C, and heat the steering wheel. Newly available smart key functions. Remote engine start and climate pre-acclimatizes the cabin before passengers enter the vehicle. The standard dual-zone control system can automatically set cabin temperature to a comfortable 72 degrees from the smart key. With hands-free smart trunk, access to the rear conveniently pops open when the smart key is detected behind the vehicle. Standard rear occupant alert, designed to provide a message in the instrument cluster for the driver to check rear seats in order to help prevent leaving the vehicle with a rear passenger left inside. The message appears when the driver door is opened after a rear passenger door has been opened and closed. Sound of Nature ambient system creates a peaceful retreat inside K5 with 6 calming themes. The Kia DriveWise suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, has more to offer, with some of the key features including standard forward collision warning, FCW designed to detect a vehicle in front and in certain conditions, can calculate the distance and closing speed, and issues an alert to warn the driver if it senses a potential frontal collision. Standard forward collision avoidance assist, FCA builds on FCW by assisting the driver in braking to help prevent a collision or lessen the effects in certain conditions if a vehicle or object is detected in front. Standard FCA pedestrian builds on FCW by detecting vehicles, objects, and pedestrians in front. Available FCA cyclist builds on FCW by detecting vehicles, objects, pedestrians, and cyclists in front. Standard driver attention warning, DA senses inattentive driving patterns and sends an audible/visual warning to alert the driver. Adds leading vehicle departure alert, LVDA alerts driver with a chime when the leading vehicle begins to move forward from a standing position. Standard lane following assist, LFA follows lane markings that the system detects and provides steering inputs to help maintain the vehicle in the center of the lane. Available forward collision avoidance assist, FCA, junction turning, FCA-JT assists the driver in braking to help prevent a collision or lessen the effects in certain conditions when turning left and an oncoming vehicle is approaching. Available blind spot collision avoidance assist, BCA under certain conditions, can detect vehicles traveling in the next lane. When a vehicle is seen in the blind spot, the vehicle brakes the outer wheel under certain conditions to help return the vehicle to its lane. Available rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, RCCA helps detect most approaching cross traffic when in reverse. When approaching cross traffic is detected, the system alerts the driver and applies brakes. Available parking distance warning reverse, PDWR detects certain objects behind the vehicle, issuing an audible warning when an obstruction is detected. The warning tone chimes faster as the vehicle gets closer to the detected object. Available parking collision avoidance assist. PCAR uses rear view camera and rear ultrasonic sensors to help detect most pedestrians or nearby obstacles when the vehicle backs out of a parking spot, warning drivers with a chime and can engage brakes to prevent a collision. Available navigation-based smart cruise control curve. NSCCC leverages the navigation system to lower the vehicle's speed proactively before upcoming curves. Available highway driving assist. HDA uses federal highway speed limit information from the navigation system and, under certain conditions, will automatically adjust speed to be within the posted speed limit and maintain distance with the vehicle detected in front. Available safe exit assist. C can alert the driver or passengers opening their door not to exit the vehicle when the system detects approaching traffic. When detected, a chime sounds. The system can intervene to lock the rear doors when the vehicle is equipped with available power child lock.